In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Airbnb app on your smartphone. So if you want to start using Airbnb app on smartphone, then you need first to go ahead and download it before you can start using it. Now, depending on the operating system you are using on your smartphone, if you are using an Android smartphone, then you will need to have Google Play Store to be able to download Airbnb app on your smartphone. However, if you are using an iPhone, then you'll need to go ahead and look for App Store, and from there you can search for the app. So for this case, I'm going to use an Android smartphone, and I have here my Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on it, and then from this we shall use this search option to search for our app. So I'll go ahead and search, and here is the app. Now from here, you can now proceed and install your app by just tapping on install. Now this will go ahead and begin the installation process, as you can see here. And for this to happen, you need to be connected to internet. Once done, it will go ahead and install the app, and the installation process is on. And finally, once the app is installed, now you'll be able to see this open option. If you go ahead and tap on it, now it will take us directly to the app. Alternatively, if we go to our apps on our Android smartphone, we shall be able to see our Airbnb app already installed. So that's how you install Airbnb app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.